everyone, and welcome to your amazing celebration entitled Spotlight, an appreciation for our best and brightest.
Pag ang wizard lumalaki, papalakihin din kayo. Ganun yun. Merry Christmas, Kiko, from your wizard family.
Narinig ko, ang dami-dami yung trabaho buong 2023. Tama! Yan!
I want you to know how much your efforts are deeply appreciated. Your commitment to excellence has not gone unnoticed.
Madaling magtayo ng negosyo. Ang mahirap palakihin, patagalin ng 27 years. Nagagawa yon dahil sa mga tao ng kumpanya.
Kahit na dumaan pa tayo sa anong pagsubok sa buhay, always be thankful. Sabi nila, if you are grateful, mas lalo kang pagpapalain. Year of the Rabbit. Next year, anong year next year? Year of the Dragon. Pero sa Wizard, Year of Thanksgiving palagi.
Is an appreciation night to thank everyone, no? Dahil sa inyo, nagawa natin yung kailangan natin gawin for this year. Our Employee of the Year for 2023, Gladwin Mananalis!